Day one, Maui, waking up for the sunrise.
After getting picked up by Route USA, we drove to a private beach to camp where Luke of the Hawaii Wildlife Fund had been watching over the turtle eggs that had hatched the day before.
We got an action-packed day. Luke has determined the schedule for us.
Where'd Bruno go?
Oh man, that was Bruno. If you guys need a changing room, it's right over here, right on the corner.
My toe hurts. Gotta hike barefoot now.
We're on an adventure. Here we go.
Bruno, how's that towel?
Best towel ever!
No big deal, just me holding on to a bunch of expensive camera gear in the wet jungles of Maui.
This is a small one right here.
This one looks dark. I want to go to the dark one.
I promise 8 waterfalls, so we can't go that route. Sorry.
The Hawaii Wildlife Fund leads research, education, and conservation efforts to help protect Hawaii's fragile marine ecosystem. One of their projects is forest reserve protection. We loved how beautiful and lush the forests are and are glad that people are protecting these beautiful forests.